Hello guys, in this tutorial we will learn how to work with views. What are views anyway? Well, here's the thing, if you're lazy like me and you like to automatize a lot, then views will save the day because they are predefined reports. So let's say that during the day you need to create like multiple same reports. Well, you don't want to type that thing manually, you just create a view, and every time when you need to that report, you just call that view, everything from it actually, because you can be specific when you are getting into views. Anyway guys, what we are going to find here is all rows with Annabellas in it, and first thing first, we need to create view and then extract stuff from view. So let's create one view, create view, and not table guys, not table, just view. Let's give it a name Annabellas, all Annabellas like. And now as. So this is a name of view, and now we'll go to next line to define what we need. Right, and I'm gonna use triple quotes because I need to go to next line. Right, something like that. So select all from people where name equal Annabella, single quotes, normal quotes, Annabella. And guys, that's pretty much it if you want to create a view. So let's change these custom reports like create vev, okay, and error while creating view. View, okay, save, and when I say run, then sorry, here when we do refresh we need to find that thing. Actually, I'm gonna just double click here. Where is that view? Refresh all database schemas. There you go. Right, and yes, we do have Annabella. So when I double click here, I will get data. Like this is a report, and this is how we get there. Okay, so data is what we care about. Now we do have this in SQLite Studio, that's fine, but how to extract all these things from view once when we have it? Well, actually we're gonna use absolutely same script here. For reference reasons, I'm just gonna copy paste this, or no, I'm gonna delete because we have it and it's very short. So now we are going to say select all from Annabellas, not from people, from Annabellas, because that's the name of view guys. And Control S, we're gonna save that thing, and F5, and here we don't have anything because actually I'm not printing what I have here. So let me see how to do that. Well, right here I can say for x in cursor we will just print that specific x. So we are extracting those lines when we have pushed operation to cursor, and F5. And there you go guys, we have a result. So everything is kind of cool. So anyway, it's not enough to have this statement, you also need to grab stuff targeting cursor. And can you extract only IDs and only like emails? Well, sure, you can target these things by position. So IDs are like 0 position, okay? And for example, if you want to grab males, they're on 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, x4. Okay, save and F5, and there you go. Right, nothing special in this tutorial. As always, thanks for watching and see you next one.